time and date functions. Two simple functions but are useful for scheduling and calculating durations, especially kapag yung date and time ng raw data mo is not properly formatted. This happens normally if yung raw data is generated from a source or an application that only provides unformatted or unstructured data. By definition, time function converts hours, minutes, and seconds given as number to an Excel serial number formatted with a time format. And ang syntax niya is yung hour, so number from 0 to 23, the minutes, so 0 to 59, and seconds, 0 to 59 as well. While the date function returns the number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel date time code. So ang syntax niya ay year, so the four-digit number for the year, the month, so number from 1 to 12 representing yung month of the year, and the day, so from 1 to 31 representing the day of the month. In this example, we have the table for the logs. And if you notice, yung month, day, and year, so yung date natin technically, is separated by three columns. So one for the month, one for the day, and one for the year. Same thing with the time. So we have a separate column for the hour and for the minutes. So hindi siya structured as date and time. And we have another tab here for DTR. And basically what we want to do is to look up yung type of entries, time in, lunch in, and time out, and according dun sa date. So with the current structure that we have here, we won't be able to look up yung data directly. So now, if I want to look up yung time in for January 1st, hindi ko agad siya makukuha rito kasi yung month, yung day, and year magkakahiwalay. And I can't just concatenate that para lang makombine yung data. For example, here, so X lookup, ang lookup value natin is yung date and time in. Let's lock time in. And ang lookup array niya is concat month, day, and year, and yung type in column F. And the return array is yung hours and minutes, so concat as well. Hour and minutes. If not found, exact match, close, and enter. And as you can see, nag-error siya or nag-not found siya kasi nga hindi proper yung formula natin or hindi properly structured yung data natin. So ano ang gagawin natin? Let's use time and date functions. So unahin natin yung date. Add tayo ng column. Let's call it date. And the formula will be date. Ano yung year? Nasa column C. Yung month, column A. And yung day, column B. Close and enter. And as you can see, now properly structured na yung date natin. Now let's add time. Equals time. Yung hour natin, which is in column D. Yung minutes, nasa column E. And since wala tayong second na data, let's leave that as 0. Close and enter. Now we can see a properly structured time from our raw data. And now we can use this helper columns for our lookup function. So going back to DTR tab equals X lookup, yung date, is lock column, and time in, lock the row. Ang lookup array niya is yung date, column G, and yung type. Ang return array is yung time. If not found, exact match. Close and enter. And there you go. So now, meron na tayong value. Now we can copy that to the rest of the time entries. And there you go. I hope I was able to explain time and date functions properly. If you have questions, please comment on the video.